Hello, everyone, and welcome to the first week of Geography A111. It's Monday morning. I hope people had a good spring break. It's time to plunge into this course now. It's going to be rapid and fast, and 8 weeks is not a lot of time to cover all the content that's here. But I've set up the course that will hopefully help you navigate it pretty well and also prepare for the final exam that's going to be due at the very end of the semester. So here we are in the course, and I just wanted to point out a couple of things. The first is that the initial module is open, and pretty soon this second module is going to be open as well. I think it opens on Tuesday at midnight. So you'll be able to see that soon. If you go ahead and click into the first module, you'll see that you have a bunch of things to look at and to do. You should go over the module introduction and the outcomes, which also serves as a study guide for the course. There are a number of lectures and other videos that I have created that I would like you to look through. And of course, on each of these things, you can click them once you've started them and sort of show that you've done them for yourself to keep track of where you are in the course. There are 2 assignments due each week, and they are due 1 week from today. So they are due Monday at noon, not at midnight, at noon. The first is a homework assignment that's supposed to get you to interact with these outcomes and the study guide and prepare you for the exam. And then the second is a physical geography assignment that requires you to use Google Earth in order to put into practice some of the things that you have learned about. Both of them will be graded as soon as I possibly can next week. The Module 1 homework, none of the module homeworks get a great deal of attention. I just make sure that people are doing them and interacting. The physical geography assignment is one that you have to focus on a little bit more. So get to work on both of these. They are both required elements for the course and will directly impact your grade if you don't get them done by next Monday. You can see that the calendar is set up, so if we go to next week at least, you'll see that the module homework is shown as due here. Of course, you probably figured out already that the announcements are located right here, and I just want to make sure that to tell you that I'll update this once a week and sometimes post some other stuff as well. You should also have access to your gradebook and a place to message me as well. In this course, we will not be using discussions, and we will not be using groups either. I've already posted a bunch of information about the textbook, and hopefully you've already gotten a cheap version of it, and you are able to work away with it as you prepare your homework assignment. I also wanted to say, in addition to that, that I'm always happy to meet with you. I'm going to post these videos once a week, but I have an office hour, and I'm going to post a Zoom link to that in this announcement. It happens Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1 until 2:15. But I'm available other times to meet with you as well. You don't feel like you have to stick to those official office hours. Just reach out to me if you need to talk to me. You can send me a message via Blackboard, or you can directly email me as well. I'm also always happy to make other short little videos, show you how to do something in an assignment that you might not quite understand, or explain some aspect of the course. Over the next couple weeks, I'll try to add a little bit of extra content in each of these announcements. Not really content of the course, but like I'll explain things. For example, the grading system I want to explain in a week or so. And I'll talk about how each assignment is graded as well, and information like that. So if you need something more, please feel free to ask me, because this is an online and what we call an asynchronous class. You don't have a lot of direct contact with me, but I am available to help you. That is my job, and all you need to do is reach out. So maybe some of you will do that here in the next couple days. If not, I'll be looking for those assignments, and you can work ahead on them, get them done right now, and the second one's going to open up here in a little bit. You'll always be able to work sort of a week ahead in this class. So that's all I've got for right now. I'm looking forward to interacting with you soon.